Hey guys, what is going on? It's your boy Rob from panter.vis, and today we're gonna recreate this beautiful piece of jewelry. But before we do that, if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified. First thing we're gonna do is select this circle, the ellipse tool, press Shift plus Alt, create your first circle. From here, we're gonna press Alt and then Shift and drag it to the right, so we isolate like two circles near each other. We're gonna select both, we're gonna press and hold Alt again, and also press Shift and drag it down. So now we have 4 of the circles. We're gonna increase the stroke to, let me check, for me somewhere around 23 is good. 23. From here we're gonna expand, go to Object, expand, and then actually this is kind of, I need more stroke. Yeah, something like that. Now it's better. I'm gonna go to Object, expand, okay, press Shift plus M, or you can go here to the shape builder tool, press and hold Alt so you can see the little minus near the arrow. With this you can draw and you can just cut it out, these form, basically the unnecessary forms. And we're gonna go and press Shift plus X again. So now we're in the stroke. We're gonna increase the stroke somewhere around here maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna create a new copy so I don't touch, you know, the original version, so we don't destroy that. Go to Object, expand. Now we expanded this one, and go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Go to Previews, and we're gonna increase the stroke of the offset somewhere around 6. I think 6 should be good. I'm gonna leave it like that. From here, we're gonna need to cut out some of the areas that I'm gonna show you. So press Shift plus M, and this line should be consistent, and we're gonna cut out, you know, and this line should be not, so this line goes under this line. So we're gonna press and hold Alt, click on this, and as you can see, this one gonna remain consistent. Same here, and here it goes like this, here it goes something like this. We're gonna right click, ungroup again. Yeah, I think this is it. I'm gonna select these stroke kind of things and delete them. And as you can see, we created this luxurious jewelry kind of thing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. And yeah, have a great day. Bye bye.